clear. So how do I let you control my computer?
Yeah. First, you need to present whatever you want. So
Oh,
you can see, yeah. And you see at the right bottom. Yeah, that's great.
okay. So oh wow, it's work very good. So how do I see? Okay, maybe you need to request a control.
Yeah, I think let me check where I can request you the control. There is. Let me check on the Google. How can I request for
Okay.
that? So it's your like start of your career,
Yeah.
or you are working like some.
Hmm. I don't think there is an option to control the screen here.
I'm just checking. There might be some. There must be.
Mm-hmm. That would be
Let,
strange.
let me check. If I click here, and,
Or maybe we can just you can just tell me what to do from here.
okay.
Can you
So
see?
so should we?
Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Should we start from scratch, or you know about something about
Yes,
intelliJ
please.
or?
Let's start from scratch. I have no idea about this platform at all.
Okay, so first you need to. I think it would be good if I guide you verbally and you just do by your hand, and you will
Sure.
definitely learn that. Yeah. So first, you need to go file and you go to the new project.
Yes.
So first, go to new project.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So this is the important thing to choose before, like, because you are going to build the SPT. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, First, choose SPT from right. Yeah, from
Oh,
right window. Right window.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, yes, I see it now.
Yes, yes. So now you the Scala is already selected. Now you yes. Here you can give the name to the project.
So should I write? Oh, this is the name of the project. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Hello world. You can say just hello world. Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Before finishing it, I just want to explain a couple of things. Wait. Okay,
Oh
wait.
no.
Okay. We can do with another. Don't
Okay.
worry. Okay. The one thing we started the session, but we discussed about payment and how you will pay me and time details, like when we started, because it's hourly project, right?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. I think you got cut off a little bit. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, I was just asking, like we did not noted the time when we start the meeting. One thing.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing, like the payment terms, how you will
Oh,
pay, and when you will pay,
oh.
and you.
So I start at 9:49, and so let's start at 9:49, and it's pay by hour. So it's hourly on the tutorial session.
Okay.
Yes. So
That,
like if you spend like 1 hour with me for teaching me, then the hour is counting.
okay, okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
please set the time log, so we will pay by
Yeah.
hour.
Okay. Very good. That's very good. Okay. So first, as I told you, need to go file. create the
Okay.
new project.
Yes. So we already
But
created a new project.
they will need to make some changes. Did you see some error?
Uh, you mean like this
Yes,
screen?
yes. This is the problem. This is the problem, and this is very important. That I must need to tell you how you can create the SPT project. Actually,
Okay.
choose wrong SBT version and wrong SBT version of Scala, then these
Oh.
problems happens. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
So,
So yeah,
yes.
okay. So this is a simple first tip which I would like to give you. Now we
Mm-hmm.
need to create. First, we need to check with if this project works well, then we can go. Otherwise, I think this project will not might work correctly because you use the SBT version which intelliJ gave you by default.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see.
Okay. So you need to first be careful about it. So I will just request you to create another new project, and I will tell you how to select the SBT version and
Okay.
Scala version. Okay.
Okay. So find new project. So here I should I click next?
Yeah. Can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yes. So
Yes. Can
should
you
I
hear
click
me?
next? Yes.
Yes.
Should,
Yes. Now you are on right track. Now you will press the next button. Okay. So here you can type new hello world or anything.
mhm.
Okay. Okay. So did you see first? Did you see the JDK you are using is not the right version, or is it
Oh,
right? Okay. So
yes.
have you installed JDK
Yes. I use
in your
the
system?
yes. I use the Oracle JDB. Uh,
Yes. See first where you installed the Java. Go to program. Okay.
so I think I installed the Oracle.
Yeah. It's Oracle. It's Oracle. No problem. Okay.
Yes.
It's good. It's good.
Yes.
But I
So
want
it's
to see the
all
location.
oh the location. So let me see.
Yeah. So this is the program, and there will
I
be
think
Java.
yes. I think it's in the admin system. So okay.
Okay, we
1.8.
can start with it. If you found any error, we can just go back and check.
Yes.
Okay, I
So
will
yes. So
suggest you. I first choose the SBT old version because these have some problems. So you can
mm-hmm.
select zero something. Let me check with my IntelliJ program, which I
Mm-hmm.
have. I like to work with SBT version because it have less problems and
Mm-hmm.
like very workable for every project that I have built. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
can
Yeah.
select 0.13 point I think 16. Let me check with my IntelliJ project. Okay,
This
give me a
one,
minute.
right?
Give me
Okay.
yeah. Let me confirm you.
Okay.
Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so this my build version is yes 0. Okay, this is the correct version. And for Scala, suggest you to select 2.11.8 if you have
2.11.8.
8. Okay, okay.
So
So
do I
also
need to put
uncheck
a
the source. Yes, uncheck the source.
uncheck?
Yes, the Scala check, and SBT check. Okay, now
Okay.
finish it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So this will take some time to like fetch from
Mm-hmm.
repository all
Mm-hmm.
the SBT and its dependencies.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
just wait.
Mm-hmm. So I
So
wonder if you can tell me more about SBT, like what is and what is the purpose of we are doing this.
okay. SBT actually is the short name or abbreviation of Scala built tool. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it supports to build the projects within Scala language.
Mm-hmm.
IntelliJ is used for multi-purpose. You can use to build Java application. You can use to build Kotlin and other like uh, programs. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the
Mm-hmm.
SPT purpose is when you select the SPT, it's mean you are going to build a Scala based application.
Mm-hmm. I
Okay,
see.
and SPT Scala build tool is just help you to compile your Scala code and give you the output, right?
Okay. I see.
So this is
So
the
does
purpose
it
of.
yes. So does it have any relation with the JVM that I often hear about in Java?
Yes. So Java basically you can say is low level, and Scala is the next level language of advanced version of Java.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see.
Yeah. So this is completely functional programming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like everything you need to call, everything you need to run, there is also
Mm-hmm.
a function, and like very less chances you need to write some function by yourself. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Everything you can find it in it, and it definitely have function, useful functions, and you
Mm-hmm.
just call and you just need to override it. Do you know about
Mm-hmm.
override?
No, can you type it out? I cannot hear.
uh, do you know about function overriding?
Yes, I know. I know about. I know how to write it in Python, but I'm not sure like how to make a function in Scala.
Okay, I will definitely show you how you can make the function
Yes.
in Scala. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, so maybe teach me like from ABC. It will be a very long session because I don't know either Scala, Java or Scala. I just know Python and R, and that's it.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I will definitely teach you.
Mhm. So let me see.
So
Oh, it's
it first
oh
it's
okay.
giving you
Yeah.
extracting projects. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think you are on a wrong project. Okay. Now, it will first time it will take some time because it will fetch all the dependencies
Mm-hmm.
which require SBT project, and for
Mm-hmm.
next it quickly just compile and show to you everything.
Mm-hmm. I have another question though. So I often see like SBT, there is a config file, it's called build.sbt, and there is some config, it looks like it's written in YAML format. So what is the build.sbt often contain?
Why uh, why you need the YAML file?
Oh, I don't know. I just saw some example on GitHub, I think, and the file is often like this. Let me show you. Like in a project file or Scala, they often define build.sbt, and yeah, and I'm not sure like what is the purpose of this file.
YAML is just like a XML file, and you can provide some configuration to it. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so okay, YAML file you can say it's just like XML. There are a lot
Uh,
of other things. Do you work with Docker?
just a little bit. I'm just not sure about the purpose of build.sbt file. Like, is it similar to the sbt file that we are creating? Uh,
The SBT file is basically, you can say, it can have
Mm-hmm.
dependent detail, the dependencies detail which fetch from like Maven or something. Do you know about Maven?
I heard. Is it like a compiling tool for Java, right?
No, no, no. Maven is like it's also open source platform which have a
Mm-hmm.
lot of third party dependencies. Like you can get the dependency of a project for Hive, for
Mm-hmm.
Hadoop, for reading some CSV, for writing some it's third party providing tools which you can use in your project. Okay, I will definitely share with you how you can call those dependency when required and
Mm-hmm.
how you can use
So,
into
so
your
for
project.
yes, I see. So for creating the fat jar to run on Scala, do I need Java?
No, it doesn't require any require little bit configuration.
Oh, oh.
I will definitely tell you, okay, how to configure and where the fact jar goes and how you can
Mm-hmm.
uh, read or find it. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Sure.
so you don't need to worry.
Okay. It's taking like almost 10 minutes. Should we be concerned or is that
Yeah,
okay?
it's as I told you first time, it will take some time.
Okay. Do you know how long it's supposed to take for?
Yeah, a couple of time it takes like more than 20 minutes. Couple of time it just uh, the the trick that I use couple of times, I stop it sometime and reopen the project and it quickly do the same job.
Oh, okay. So, is there something you can teach me about platform while we're waiting for the SBT to be installed? Maybe like, can you teach me briefly about SBT shell?
Yeah, SPT shell is just like a command prompt where you can run some commands like clean package, add jar, build jar, and kind of commands. Okay.
Oh,
SPT
okay.
shell has its own command acceptance criteria.
Mm-hmm. So, okay. So, do we need to update or do something for the SBT shell at the moment?
No, you can, yes, you can just stop the red button. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do we need to start it again?
No, first it stop. Now you can like exit the project and reload it.
Oh, okay. So we exit the project. How do we exit the project?
Yes, go to file and exit.
Close the project, right?
Yes, yes, you can also choose it.
So do I terminate?
Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry, you can turn.
Okay. So
Reopen this project file, go to recent project.
mm,
Maybe there are some.
mm,
You can choose, there will be like in your recent project files, go
okay.
to file. Oh, third one, open recent. Third one,
Oh,
yes,
okay.
you can see
Okay.
new window, this window, whatever you want. Okay.
Oh, okay. Mm, okay. I see. Oh, I have another question actually. So when I do like find new project, there is the framework of band, and I try to use this framework, and it doesn't work at all. Have you have like experience with using the light band project starter?
Yeah, there are a lot of like languages which you can, if you have grip on it. But I like to prefer Scala because we are developers and we like to work with Spark. So this
Mm,
is the like so it's your choice. Whatever what language you want and in what language you have grip. Okay.
okay. Okay.
So I usually work with the SBT Scala.
Mm-hmm.
Spark. Okay, so I don't work with the Groovy and the other things which already there. Okay.
Oh, okay. I see. I understand. I have maybe can you show me? So maybe can you share your screen? So like to show me some Scala syntax while we waiting for this to build. Maybe can you teach me something about like how the process work? Like how do I suppose to start a Scala project and compile it to file?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
The
I'll
simple.
stop sharing my screen now and I'll move it to your screen.
So, what you want to see? What should I present to you?
Well, I just don't know like how to start like like I don't know like if I have the Scala code, like how do I start running it in Apache and Hadoop? I'm just not sure about that step. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, yes. Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
that's all right. So basically, I'm not sure like how to like like after I have few line of code in Scala, how do I compile it and make it run on Spark? And so I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah, yeah. Don't worry, don't worry. This is the first step. I am just telling you how
Yeah.
to build an application. Okay.
Okay.
The
So
next step, yeah,
yeah.
the next step is I will tell you how to define a variable. If you want, like as I asked you, if you
Mhm.
want to learn step by step, then I will definitely go step by step. But if you want, like, uh, uh, first you ask question basic level, next you ask a expert level. So if
Mhm.
I will definitely brief you, but you did not catch it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Yes.
you
So
have
maybe
no idea.
yes. So maybe while we wait for the build to complete, can you like
Okay,
show?
yeah, yeah. The one
Yeah.
thing what we can do, the same process I run on my window and I will
Okay.
present to you.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure. That.
okay, okay. Just stop presenting, then I will start presenting it.
Okay. So how do I?
I think
Okay.
there is in front. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Now, now I am presenting my window to you.
Okay.
Okay, so let me select. Can you see my screen?
Mm,
So this is like a whole code I have written for Spark and Scala. Okay,
mm-hmm.
so this is completely SPT project. I just built. So let me start with you.
Mm-hmm.
First, again, go to new project.
Mm-hmm.
I selected SPT. I selected Scala. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now it will fetch the SPT versions. Okay. Again, so I just type it hello world. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
In the speed version that I told you, I'm going to use this one.
Mm-hmm.
I have 2.11.12 and different
Mm-hmm.
versions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I will just use this one and I will
Mm-hmm.
finish. I will click on new window and it will
Mm-hmm.
open in new window. Okay. Again,
Mm-hmm.
the same process starts as I told you.
Mm-hmm. So I saw that like you need to be like import changes.
Yes, yes, you can. In the previous one that I shared with you, this
Uh-huh. Oh, you are opening the new project, right?
this this yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you see this?
Yes.
I just go out and you see here there are some like right or okay marks icon, good marks. So
Mm-hmm.
it means the project is good.
Oh, I see.
So now the project is ready. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
I can start coding here. Okay. So these are the hello world module. It
Mm-hmm.
contains the like XML file. It
Mm-hmm.
checks from where you are getting the directory and modules,
Mm-hmm.
and this URL part is associated with this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my
Yes.
local directory. Okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
can see this is representing to this or storing into this variable. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think this is not important for you because this is completely XML file. It has its own structure, and this is a separate area. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
important thing is for you the build dot properties. It has SBT version that we
Mm-hmm.
are using. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The other thing we have source directory main and Scala. This is the main part of this project. Okay? Where you need to create classes, where you can create objects, and you can like write some code, write some program into it. This is the right place where you have to like put the code of Scala. Okay.
Sorry, where are you at on the screen? I'm a little bit lost.
Sorry,
Where are you at on the screen? I cannot
uh,
see the arrow.
you cannot see my screen.
Oh no, no, I cannot see the arrow on your screen, so I'm not sure like
Okay,
which section are you
okay,
talking.
okay. Okay. Now can you see what I selected?
No, can you unselect it and let me see.
There is a Scala I selected. Scala directory on the left side of project. You cannot see?
No, I cannot see. I think
Okay, give me reshare. Let me reshare with you. Okay.
okay.
Now, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay. Now, can you see what I selected?
Yes.
Okay. So as I told you, you can see this main directory. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the below one is the Scala one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the heart of this project. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Where you write the code, where you can make a classes, and whatever you write here, Scala will automatically call him as a program. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
before it I told you, in this directory, the build dot properties is very important file because it have SBT version. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So here, if you want to change it manually, you can. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But it's important. You should know about the SBT version. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you type some irrelevant value or irrelevant version, it will definitely give you some error.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So from till now, this is only important file for you. The next one I have told you in the directory, there is main subdirectory and the Scala directory. Okay, Scala
Mm-hmm.
is the main heart of this project. Okay, where you can like build some classes, build some object, and write
Mm-hmm.
some code. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So next one, the next important file for you is the build.sbt.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Here is your project name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here
Mm-hmm.
is version. And here you can add the dependencies of project, which I told you, Maven dependencies.
Mm-hmm.
These dependencies are external dependencies. You just need to give the path or URL for those dependency. SBT will fetch those dependencies and include it into your project.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the you are pretty much clear what I elaborate to you.
Yes.
If you have
So
any question, let me know.
I have a question. So on the builder SBT, basically we need to give the name, the version of the
Yes.
SBT and the Scala version, right?
Yes, this is dot properties, which includes SBT version, and build.sbt have the Scala version and application name.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so build.properties have SBT version and build.properties have SBT version and build.sbt have Scala version. Okay, so
Sorry. So build dot properties have the SPT version and build dot SPT have the Scala version.
Scala version exactly.
Oh,
Again, if you want to change the Scala version, you can change and like rebuild a project. It will fetch the new version and change your project properties. Okay.
oh yes.
Okay. So this is the thing. Now
Mm-hmm.
now we go to create a simple Hello World application. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Okay. What I just click on Scala directory. Okay.
Oh, I have some issue as my site is said like extracting structure fail.
Okay, we can fix it. Don't worry about it. Okay,
Yes.
so do you think first we fix that issue, or I just tell you to create the first class or main class of the project?
Oh, let's fix my issue first. Is that all right?
Okay.
So let me
Uh,
share my screen again.
whatever you want. Yeah, I'm okay with it.
So let me share my screen with you.
Sure, sure.
Yes. So in here is it extracting structure fail?
Okay, SPT.
Yes.
Okay, so what are the details?
Uh,
Unmarked dependency 0.3. Okay, so it's mean you can see also the one.maven.org connection timeout.
oh, okay. So
Okay.
where is that?
So what?
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, what you can do? Just as I told you, there is some problem with the intelliJ. Okay. So one thing we can do. It doesn't found. Okay. Can you go to the uh,
Yes.
right at most right? I think the Hello World 3 is okay, or is it's also having some error? Okay.
I'm not sure. Is it the Hello World 2 is okay?
Okay, okay. So no, it's not okay. First, go to the right bar,
Mm-hmm.
right at most right bar. Yes, go to the SBT.
Yes.
Okay. If you click SBT,
Mm-hmm.
not SBT, why there is not showing some? Uh, Actually, you are yes, you are scroll it down. Now click on SBT. There must be some refresh option.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah. Also, I want to know which network you are using. Are you using your office network?
No, I'm using home network. So you
You
see.
are using, yes, you are using some VPN. I know.
No, I'm not using VPN. Oh, actually,
Yes,
let me, yes,
yes. So VPN have problem. Now you can just refresh it again.
yes. Oh, I disconnect it. Oh, okay.
Okay, retry it.
It looked like it's working, right?
let me check. Now it is working, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, that's great.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So these are the tips and tricks. I don't think so. Anyone will tell you like the VPN and Office network can
Yeah.
create a
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I
so,
think there might be issue with the VPN.
yeah. Whenever you use the VPN, there will be some issue.
Oh, so it worked, right?
Yeah, it works. Now you can see uh, thumbs up sign in the left. Hello world 2 finished. So again,
Okay.
you are hello world 2. Why you are not on hello world 3? Anyhow, it's good. It is working good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can minimize this log window.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Again, so you can check the files as I told you.
Oh, so how do I make the source file?
Source file. No, you don't need to make it. Just
Oh,
expand this directory. Okay. Click on
this
the arrow one. No, 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 no. Click
this.
on the arrow. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Now you can see all the main, and this is the Scala directory. Okay. Now you
Oh,
can, no need to open it. Okay. Now you can see your build.properties file, what SBT version you have, build.sbt version. Go to project, hello
mm.
to, yes, here is build.properties.
Oh,
Below,
yes.
double click SBT version here. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yes. So
Okay. Now,
yes.
okay. Now you can also see the build.sbt, which have your
Mhm.
Scala version.
So where do I see that?
Uh, Go down, the third last one.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yes.
If you double click here, you will see the program name. You will
Mhm.
see the Scala version. Okay.
Okay. I
Double
see.
click. Yeah. You can say your program name. You can see the Scala version. And
Uh,
this is file, SBD file, where we
mhm,
will add the Maven dependencies. Okay.
mhm. Yes. So how do I start a Scala coding script from here?
Now you want to write some Scala code, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So as I told you, the main directory where you see the Scala.
Mm-hmm.
If you
So
click blue one, the fifth last one. I think the fifth or sixth.
here
Up Scala.
is
Next. Yes, this is the heart of this project. Okay.
okay. So do I click?
Just new, and you have to choose Scala class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Type some name.
So
Don't click anything until I told you. Okay. Just write what you want. Okay. Choose
mm-hmm.
object. Choose object from list.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Just double click it. Okay. So now you have your
Mm-hmm.
object in your
Mm-hmm.
Scala.
Mm-hmm.
Now, whatever you want to assign to it, you can just say and type print ln or something.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay.
yes. So you
Uh,
can call your variable here.
oh, read like this, right?
Yes, yes, this is your variable. Hello.
Like this.
Yes. No,
So
no, 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 no. Write val because you already have declared it. Okay.
oh, okay. So how do I save it?
You just press Control S.
Okay. Okay. I click trace. So how do I run it to test to see like what I
Yes.
have?
You can just go to run top bar. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, move next, 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 and you will see. No, 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 no. Don't click on. Yes, move next. Next, you will see at this bar there is a run option. Next, move more.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm so silly. Okay.
You can
So,
just click on.
okay.
So you just click on edit configuration if you want. Okay. So here you can click the plus sign.
Mm-hmm.
You have SBT. Okay. So you can choose here below the SBT.
Sorry, what is Scala repo and
Yes.
Scala?
Yes. You can see, I think this is not the right one. SBT task is not right one. You can see below there must be SBT. Okay. Why it is not showing? Give me a minute. Let me check.
Okay.
I'm this. Okay. Can you
Yeah.
open your SPT project? You want to click and open. Can you open the SPT project tool? Go to settings. Go to
Okay.
file. Sorry.
Right. Setting right.
Yes. Yes. Setting. Yes. Here you can see the build, execution, and deployment.
Yes.
Expand it. There should be SBT, but the SBT should be in build tools.
Mm-hmm.
Go to build. Click
Oh,
on
okay.
SBT.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So here, what you can do, you can uh, linked SPT project. Have you option here?
Um, I have not.
Link. Which version you are using of intelliJ?
Pardon? Oh, here's the project.
Yes.
Uh, so
Okay,
so
okay.
we
You
need.
have the project. Okay. Now use auto import option. Check library sources. Use SBT shell for build and import, and enable debugging. Check all these options.
Okay.
Enable yes, yes, and enable debugging. Yes, and click apply and OK.
I have a question. So do I need to define the heap size, and what does it mean by heap size?
No, don't worry, don't worry. Heap is basically your computer memory, which
Mhm.
it is used. So by default, whatever the settings, don't need to change it. Okay, it
Okay.
can create a problem for you, so no need to worry. You can apply here and click OK.
Okay.
Okay. Now what you can do? Now you can uh, go to the SBT project tool window.
Mm, here, right?
No, 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 no. On the left build side, below the below window, the last one
Here.
window. Okay, okay. Go to build.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Are you already in build?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
Okay. There. I don't think so. There must be run SPT, then run SPT command, SPT project. Where is SPT project tool window? On the right, do
Yes.
you have
Mm,
SPT tool window? No, 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 no,
uh,
no. Yes, yes, this one, which you have already opened. Click on the project,
oh, okay. Here, right?
the right window.
Yes.
No, no,
The
no,
right
no,
one.
no. You already have open. Click on yes, expand it.
Mm-hmm.
Root one, yes, and click on SPT commands.
Mm-hmm.
And you here you can see some run option. See if you are down RS. I think it's missing.
Mm-hmm.
It's it must be there, but I think can you go again and click on the run?
Yes.
Click on edit configuration. Go to template, expand it. Okay, there's a problem with your some. I think this version. I don't know
Mm.
why. Let me find out another way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Cancel your window. This one.
Mm-hmm.
The important thing we missed here, I just want to tell you, we did
Mm.
not define our main class. We did not define this into this project. This is our main class. So this is the problem. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So it's important. We need to tell the in every project uh, whatever we have in our main class. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now what you need to do, just okay. So below object bracket, where is the curly brace is open, press enter.
Pardon?
No, 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 no. where is object hello world and curly bracket.
Mm-hmm.
No, no, no. Go up.
Oh, go up. Okay.
Yes. No, no, no. Come to the main window where code is written.
Yes. Okay. Here, right?
Go yes here and go up object is written. Object
Yes.
in the same yes. Object hello word curly braces open
Mm-hmm.
and press enter right after curly braces open.
Sorry. What do I need to press?
Uh, you just need to first go to the first line of code.
Yes.
Yeah, press enter button on your keyboard. Yes, here type
Oh.
DEF
Yes.
space main main. No, no, no. This is not the right syntax for main class.
Okay.
DEF main curly braces open.
Oh.
Sorry, it's a simple brace open. You can say the simple brace bracket
Oh. This.
bracket the round one round
Ah.
bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, here type ARG
Yeah. True.
and semicolon and array. Let me message you the syntax. Okay,
Sure.
I'm
Sure.
sending. Yeah,
Yes.
it, I think
Yeah.
rather than it can like kill the time.
Yeah. I skipped that syntax lesson. So.
No problem. It's your start. I just send you the syntax.
Okay. Ah. Okay. So
So
what do?
just copy paste this one.
Mhm.
Yes, but remove your def. Yes, yes. Now, right after it, you need to use this bracket.
Mhm.
I share with you.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. And at the last of the code, again, the second curly bracket. Yes. Now it's said this is your main class. Okay.
Hmm. I see. Can you tell
Okay.
me
Now,
what this mean?
yeah, this is we are defining def defining function main. Okay.
Mm-hmm. But what
Here
does
we
that
are
mean?
adding the arguments for the
Oh,
function.
okay.
The arguments are array. Okay, array of strings.
Ah, okay. Oh, so it's in the Scala you have to define the type of object. Uh,
Yes, exactly. Yes,
oh,
you definitely you are reached to the right point. Okay, so
yes.
now now you got no. Wait. Just in the code window, right click.
Here, right? Uh,
Yes, right click, and you can run hello world.
ah.
Now you will definitely see the output of it. Okay,
Mm,
so now you are into the Scala project. Okay,
yes.
sorry, yes,
So do I need to update SPT version?
getting I think it's again just building your project, okay?
Oh,
Because
okay.
it first build your project. You can, if you want to update your SPT version, don't worry, you can do it, okay?
Oh, it's disappear. Okay, let's just waiting for it. Oh, there's an issue.
Yes. Check what is the issue.
Connection timeout.
Unresolved dependency 0.13.8. Why? Because but we choose 0.13 point. Oh, you are in a wrong project. I think we must be into Hello World 3.
Oh, no, no, we are in Hello World too. See?
As I remember, I think you choose the wrong SBT version here.
Oh,
Go to the
yeah.
sorry, build dot properties. Go to the build dot properties.
Oh,
The
okay.
file is, it is already open into your window. If you see,
Ah, okay. Yes.
yes. So it is to 0.13.6. Can you refresh your SBT?
This right?
Refresh. Just as yeah, update your SBT version.
Yes. So,
So below you are getting an alert, update SBT version.
ah, okay. Oh, let me do it again. So let me refresh.
It's already in progress. Just wait.
Okay.
So let's wait on when it will be finished. I think this error. Initially, you may remember the VPN was the problem. So don't ever use VPN whenever you create.
Yes, I think I turned off the VPN, so it should be okay.
Yeah. So let's wait. Hopefully, it will be okay.
Yeah. So
Till now, I
while
think I can show you the same process on my window.
uh oh, maybe can you help me? Like, for example, if I want to do like data processing in Scala, so for example, if I want to input the file for my PC, so which kind of syntax do I need to write in here? Maybe let me open
What?
the class.
I did not got your point. What
Oh, yes.
actually?
So, for example, if I want to process a file in here, like, if I want to import a file from my computer, so how should I do it?
You want to read some file from your computer?
Yes.
Okay, so there is like you can use the external library and you can write your own function to read CSV.
Okay. Which library do you suggest me to use for reading, like, for example, oh, wait, it's Spark, right? Okay, I got it. Yeah, I just need to use Spark. Yeah, that's a silly question. Sorry.
Okay. So, fam,
Yes.
actually, we are at very basic level. Okay,
Yes.
if you have like specific requirements, you
Mm-hmm.
can list down and share
Okay.
it with me. Like this week, we can have a session on this part. Okay, so
Oh,
what
yes.
I can,
Sorry.
yeah,
Actually, what I want to share with you, what I'm doing with other tutor. So I'll list down the topics that I have questions, and
yeah,
when we meeting,
yes.
then we will. So let me add you onto this notebook of where I'm concentrating questions with my other tutor. So
Mhm.
everyone. Uh,
Yeah, actually, it will be good for both of us because I
yes.
can prepare you the accurate things for you, easiest way to do the jobs. Okay,
Yes.
rather. I what we can do for every
Mhm.
week we decide we will learn this thing and
Mm-hmm.
I will prepare a lecture and the details for you, because
Yes.
these are on demand things to read
Mm-hmm.
CSV, write CSV, write function which get
Yes.
output like this. So these are on demands. So
Yes.
so what I can do, I can prepare a lesson for you, and I can show you, I can completely teach you. It will be good
Mm-hmm.
for you, and it will be
Yes.
good for me.
Awesome. Yes. So can you send me on Upwork your email? So I'll do it later. So I'll import
Yeah, you can
then
add
I'll
my
import.
Gmail address. You can add my Gmail address,
Yes.
which let me share with you my Gmail address.
Okay. Yes. Please send on Upwork because we are recording the session, so I don't want to expose your identity.
Okay, you can find
Okay.
this
Sure.
email.
Yes.
Okay, I think this is still so till now. I think I can show you the same process on my laptop if you want.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Okay, so can you stop presenting? So I
Oh
will
yes.
start.
Um, so,
Okay, so
yes. I think you can start presenting.
yeah, let me show you. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So again, the same process. I created the project. Now I am going to create a new class, which is Scala.
Mm-hmm.
And I choose object here, and I say hello world.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I click OK. Now I have same the code initially you were having. Now what I am defining main class, and you see
Mm-hmm.
everything is okay as I told you and shared the code with you, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now I am defining example hello equal to hello world. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So now what I do, I say and I call hello. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
this is like the same code which you have into your window, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the next step, I think, what we need to do, we need to run this code and see the output. If this is the output. Okay. So give me what you can do now. You can go here and run hello world. It is
Mm-hmm.
again compiling.
Mm-hmm.
So there is Azan. So did you see the output of program?
Oh, yours is so fast.
Yeah, this is because this is my PC.
Yeah, it's my PC too. I don't know why it takes so long. I got the intelliJ like version. I don't know why it's so slow.
This is super fast. So did you see this is pretty much simple on my PC, not on your PC.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Mine is
this is.
still, mine is still working. It's still not.
Yeah, actually, you can have some internet problem. One thing, and the other thing can be like first time it download all the dependencies, and it sometimes take time. Okay, so you need to worry about it. But you see, the same process I did on your computer and the same process I did on my computer, and see there is nothing different in your window and nothing different in my window, and you can see the output which actually you were desiring. Okay, so this is the simple and simplest way to like build Scala application. Here
Mm-hmm.
you change the code whatever you want. Okay, and whatever you want to achieve. But this is a simple example, hello world, which you like use anywhere. The,
Yes.
the the thing is, I just want to know about it. Uh, you want to learn about how to write program, how to write function, how if else condition work, how case condition works, what are the types, how we can define the variables and the things, or you
Yeah.
just want to what you have in your mind.
Well, my main concern is that I have to translate my Python script to Scala, so I need to know
Okay.
to find a way for it to work.
Okay. Okay. The actual thing I already talked about,
Mm-hmm.
as you told me you are working with the Hadoop environment. Okay, so I think if you are working with Hadoop environment, you can achieve all of your things through Spark.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So
Okay,
I need
so
to
you don't need to
on
go into Scala language detail. I will suggest you to be specific with your Spark and Scala language.
Mm-hmm. Yes, because
Okay.
the issue that well, I just start working with Hadoop. Because we are yes. So like I normally work with PySpark and Javelin, but it's very small.
Yeah.
Now I
Yeah.
need to.
Okay. Okay.
So I need to.
Can you see my screen?
Pardon?
I think let me share it again. You can see my hello world. You cannot see my other project, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me share my other project and please see a difference. Uh, this one window and this one. Yeah, I hope now you can see my screen.
Okay. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, okay. So this is Spark Scala project. Simple. Okay, okay. So again, it have SBT version, it have Scala version, and these are the dependencies I was talking about, the
Um.
Maven. Okay,
Yes.
this is Spark dependency, Spark Core, Spark SQL, Spark Hive, and Spark Excel. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the config details of Spark, which
Mm-hmm.
I am going to use for this Spark application. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
and it is the same method we used for writing a simple Scala application. Same for
Mm-hmm.
the Spark.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to be specific, I can just teach you about Spark and Scala, nothing else. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yes.
if you want to learn like writing function, reading CSV, because you can read the CSV using Spark as well.
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you the example. This is the line of code I use to read an Excel file.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I have other applications as well where I use like to uh, read the data from CSV.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So actually, I have a concern. I don't want to waste your time and my time as well. I just
Mm-hmm.
want what you want to learn, and I definitely deliver you.
Yes. I see.
Okay. And
Yeah.
I teach you the things which you never ever used, and maybe in future these are maybe useless for you.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Okay. So,
How about
so it
we
will
meet
not be
like
beneficial for you.
yes. So how about we meet on weekly basis to address the question I have like in my real work? Would it
Okay.
for us?
Okay.
Yes. So I'll do like self-learning on my own, like issues that like keep having issues like today, for example, like installing and running code and stuff. I'll write it out and I'll
Okay.
let if I have issues, then we can meet like on weekly basis. Or whenever or whenever you are free, and we can discuss about the issue and see things to solve out. Because I think like I'm only on the beginning stage. Like so far as Scala, I just know like how to define values and that's it. And I haven't do like transformation of the Excel or like data.
Yeah, it will be definitely good for both of us.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so I have never worked with like Scala in production. I only work with like Python and a small PySpark. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so no need to worry. Yeah, we can just like you can prepare your question and share with me. I will
Mm-hmm.
prepare yours, and we will sit once in a week, and I will definitely help you
Okay. Yes.
to.
For the file that I'm importing, I think there's some fail. It said like it's failed to import re-import.
What import?
Oh, I saw some message, some error message that to import.
Okay, okay. Can you show me the screen?
Yes, I lost the log, but let me show you the
Okay.
screen.
Yeah, because I was sharing with you, so don't worry. Can you give me a minute? I have a call.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So you are trying like make
Yeah.
up.
Yes.
That's good.
I have a
So,
question. So, what is the difference between object and case object and trait? Like, can you
yeah,
tell me about this?
yeah. The object. Did you know about the object-oriented programming?
Yes.
Okay, so object is that object. Like you can put some properties into it.
Mm-hmm.
You can some like define object and some have like properties, attributes, functions in the object. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. So the class is the different class. Like in class, you cannot define object. You can define some function. You can define some class into it. Like I will show you later. Do you know about case class?
No, I don't know about this case class and
Okay,
case
okay.
object.
I will definitely tell you. In Spark Scala project, we use case class. Like if we have as CSV 3 or 4 columns, it just I'm just giving you an example. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
3 4 columns into it. You don't know what is the header. Okay, you don't know what is this. You have only value. In the case class, you can define like the first element is something like properties. So first element is the ID. The sec
Mm-hmm.
and what its type is string or object. So
Mm-hmm.
the second class you can define like as you define a class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The case class you can use for raw data to turn
Mm-hmm.
into
Mm-hmm. I see.
okay.
Yes.
So the same thing for the object and case object. You can
Mm-hmm.
put object the multiple objects into it.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Multiple things. Okay. So mostly we use for the Spark and Scala applications
Mm-hmm.
object. In class, we can define some configuration of Spark. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
But same thing we can do in the object as well.
Mm-hmm. And how about trade?
Traits, traits, you can also say these are some having property, setting up properties. I want something to provide outside the environment and define a
Mm-hmm.
variable. Submit
Mm-hmm.
my job mark,
Mm-hmm.
call this trait which have some configuration, and
Mm-hmm.
I define pull the configuration from trait.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Okay,
Oh, I just sorry. I just run this and did mean like it's work, right?
let me see. Yeah, you can see hello is there.
Oh.
Yes, the
Oh,
hello is
okay. Awesome. Oh gosh. It's great. All right. I think I'm good now. So let me start the notebook and I'll add you in. And when I have questions, I will ping you. I think we should on regular basis. So let me set right now. Maybe like on Wednesday weekly. Would it work?
yeah, yeah, it will work. But actually, the thing is, it will be better if we can have some time between mid of the day, like at 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Because actually, in evening today, when we started the call, I was
Mm-hmm.
I just asked the person to hold and just gave you the time.
Okay, sure. But then if we start in the midday, our session will be like half an hour. Is that all right for you? Because
No problem, no problem. It's up to you. Uh,
okay.
but I remember one thing. I want to make it clear. I
Mm-hmm.
remember we discussed I need to teach you Scala, right?
Yes.
Now you are going leading me to problem fixing side.
Oh, yes. Well, but then the question will be like related on Scala basis. It like, I have question about syntax and you help me to like teach me
Uh,
again the
yeah, yeah,
concept.
I definitely teach you. But think teaching basic level and teaching expert level. It have like different like
Mm-hmm.
driving a car. A car driver have like
Mm-hmm.
have a different salary and a plane pilot have like different salary.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
so
I
so
understand. But you see, like where my Scala level is right now, like I cannot even run the code. So I think I'll at the beginning level for very long.
yeah. Actually, yeah. So this was the basic level. I gave you a lot of tips. Okay,
Mm-hmm. So I
so
think like I'll spend like at least like 2 or 3 months in the beginning level because right now like this is all I can write. I didn't even right. I need to look. I need to read back into this. I'm still not sure about the type of class. No, not type of classes, but type of. You call this
mhm.
object, right? I forgot what is it. Like type of object in Scala, right? You call this a defined object, right?
Yes, yes. You define object and we define the main class.
Yeah, basically, I need to reread everything. Okay,
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. We can have a session weekly. So
yeah.
you can just write your questions. You can send me over
Mm-hmm.
Upwork. I can
Mm-hmm.
just like
Yes.
give you answer in session.
Yes, I think it will be multiple session if we only have like half an hour to do it because
Mhm.
yes,
Okay,
because
okay, no problem.
one
We can
session
do.
is only more than half an hour, 1.5 hour. So I think we will have like multiple sessions throughout the week.
Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. You can just ping me over Upwork.
Yeah,
So I will be available to brief you the things. Okay.
awesome, awesome. So I'll end now. Thank you so much, Angie, for the lesson.
No problem.
Okay,
I hope you like the skills and the expertise that I have.
yeah,
Uh,
awesome. It's great so far.
okay.
So
Okay. So whatever you have questions, you can just send me to Upwork. So and we will
yes,
discuss it into
yes,
the. Okay.
yes, awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
okay.
See you
Yes.
in home and stay
Yes.
safe.
Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.